Thanksgiving for the life that I'm living. Wake up in the morning, Thanksgiving. Say a prayer for the fact that I'm breathing. Say a prayer for my fam and their children. Can't wait for the day that I'm with them. Lord knows all these demons got me sinning. Lord knows for some millions I be finning. Hakuna Matata, I gotta spark the flocker. Gotta pour some liquor for the souls of my niggas. I'm so done. You know, when you reach the point of no return, 40 tons of pressure weighing down on my back. Told my girl to relax, that her boy now is back. Yeah, Shari now is back. Took my time, never slack, been running laps round these tracks. It ain't been easy, but Thanksgiving, thank God for the life that I'm living.
We who are not born in a place that so many cars in the paper. Who were born in a manger, and we believe you make us forget all the pains that I felt on my way. Even though we no get all we want, but we still be okay. You change my ways and you pull me away from the shame. Oh no. Even though we no get all we want, but we still be okay. Okay, help me sing into I in you. Into I in you. Into I in you.